how to check chat history on Google Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your chat history in Google Gemini. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Gemini app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. And here, once you're inside, you can just tap on the menu icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, if you scroll down, then there you'll see the recent section. Now here, just below the recent section, you'll see the list of all your previous conversation. Now here, you can simply tap on any chat to open it and continue the conversation. And if you can't find your chat history, make sure that you are signed in with the same Google account that you used to create your chats. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.